Hey people, good morning. At least here it's morning, and I have come to this lovely park which is close to my place, and where I daily go for a walk in the morning. And you know, the days I enjoy the walk the most is when I'm consistently wearing this Fitbit on my hand, and that got me thinking about something that I want to share with all of you out there. Because I was reflecting as to why should that happen, you know, because on the odd occasion when I forget my Fitbit, it's not like the place changes, right? The park is still beautiful, the lake is still nice, the mornings are still pleasant early in the day. So why is it that my experience about going for that walk be any different, thanks to some electronic gadget? But then I realized that what I enjoy a lot is the fact that I get to look at how am I doing against whatever it is that I have planned. And that got me thinking about what's the goal of a goal. You know, all of us at some point of time have had some kind of goal in our life. We want to be more fit, we want to be more successful, we want to be richer, we want to be happy, been there, done that, right? We all at some point of time have had goals that we have set for ourselves. But have you ever thought, what's the goal of a goal? And then when I was looking at answers for that question for myself, this is what I came up with. I realized that the goal of the goals for me is that number one, it establishes a very strong sense of purpose, because after all, when I'm talking about walking, it's not about the walking, right? It's about a larger purpose that I have, which is to stay healthy, be fit, have a, like, you know, maintain a good body weight, and be fit overall. So that's the number one thing that goal of the goal does for me, that I know what's the purpose because of which I'm doing this. Secondly, the goal of the goal for me is that it gives me the right direction. For example, you know, when I'm walking and let's say I have this many steps and this much calorie burn as my objective, as my result, as my outcome, then when I'm having a chance to look at the Fitbit and determine how am I doing against that, it gives me like a great sense of moving in the right direction. So that's the goal of the goal, which is the second point that stands out for me. And the third thing, that the goal of a goal for me is that it also lets me know of any, like, you know, course correction that I have to take. I'm sure none of us really, you know, decides to travel without some basic destination in mind, right? Because even the most adventurous backpackers in us, I think we do decide that we want to go to this particular place, and this is a destination that we have in mind. So the goal of the goal for me is also to envision a certain destination for myself. So yeah, I think that's where I'm at. Well, what about you guys? I'll be happy to hear from you. What are the goals that you have in your life? What's the goal of your goal? So on that note, thank you for watching, and till I see you next time, ta-da.